Welcome guys. So in this video we will see how to change text into Morse code. So the text will be your name, anything that will be in written in a text. So I'm entering my name, so I'm changing my name text into Morse code. So now I'm getting string that is in uppercase alphabet. So I'm changing these uppercase alphabets into Morse code. So let's see. So guys, the next step is very important because it contains the Morse code. So the Morse code is invented by the Morse scientists, and it contains alphabets with its sounds. So I am writing the alphabet can capital letter A, and its sound in the Morse code is D and Da. So this is the sound of alphabet A, and in the same way I am writing alphabet B. So with its sound is, so I'm writing in a capital letter, and the sound the B has, it has the sound like, it has a sound like da, D, D, and D. So this is the sound of alphabet B. In the same way I'm writing C with its sound. So I'm writing the C in a capital letter, and the sound it has the like, you can see da, di, da. So this is the sound of C. So in the same way I'm writing the sounds of all alphabet with its capital letters. So I'm writing the D in a capital letter, and the sound the D has, so da, di, di. So this is the sound of D. In the same way I'm writing all the alphabet with its sound in a Morse code. So this is actually the sounds with alphabet. So guys, this is also given in a description, you can access easily. So in the next step I'm using for loop to access these alphabet sounds. So you can remember one thing, I want to take Morse code of alphabet, like I'm want to take the Morse code of my name. So that's why I'm using for loop, and with its range is, it is starting from 0 and the length is going to be the string that you want to the printer. So I'm going to print the string that is has the alphabet HARIS. So this is the 5 string length. So in the next step I want to print these alphabets Morse codes. So that's why I want to print Morse code, and the Morse code is given above, and that's why I have declared Morse code, and the Morse code is given in the description, you can easily access guys. So don't be hesitate, you can easily access in a description. So the Morse code and a dot get string that element that I have to print, and the next step that is I want to end this print. So and I'm using and, so this is and our output. So that's why I'm using colon, that's why it will print in without space. So this is our program. So guys, our program is ready to run. So now run the program and let's see the output. So it will print Horace into Morse code. So you can see it is printing the Morse code of Horace. So now you can easily convert any text into Morse code. So don't be hesitate. It's very easy program. So this is our Morse code. So guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel for more such type of videos. So don't forget to press bell icon.